Well, everyone, iOS 26.2 has just officially came out, and you might be trying to figure out if you should go ahead and install it on your iPhone 14. Now, the big thing to keep in mind here is that iOS 26.2 is still a update that's going to be getting better over time. And with an iPhone 14, you have to remember that you have two different types of updates that you can install on it. You can either install iOS 26.2 or you can install iOS 18.7.3. So iOS 26.2 is that latest and greatest that's giving you a lot more features inside, but it's going to be giving you more stability issues, and it's just not going to be as stable as something like iOS 18.7.3. With 18.7.3, although this one isn't going to be giving you all the bells and whistles, it is going to be an update that is going to be more polished and more, iPhone 14 in mind. Meaning when Apple's making iOS 26.2, they're really only keeping the iPhone 17 in mind in the 17 series, maybe the 16, but by the time it gets down to the 15s, Apple's not really taking too much precaution for those devices. Same thing for the iPhone 14s. With iOS 18.7.3, this is an update that's basically designed for a lot of these older types of phones. So when that's the case, you have to really keep in mind that with a phone like an iPhone 14, that one is probably going to be the one. It's probably going to make more sense to use on iOS 18.7.3 than on iOS 26.2. So in my opinion, I think you should probably wait to install iOS 26.2 unless you are already on iOS 26. If you're on there, then stick with 26.2, but if not, stick with iOS 18.7.3. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.